let us start CBSE exercise 4.1 quadratic equation. First one, check whether the following are the quadratic equation. So what we do, the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. Here now you see x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Just to open it, you will get x square plus 1 plus 2x. Here you will get 2x minus 6. Now transpose, so 2x and 2x will be cancelled. This one, 2x and 2x will be cancelled. So we are left here x square plus 7. So here I have written the same equation where the coefficient of x is 0. Condition is that the coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. So a is 1, b is 0, c is 7. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. Yes, I have written yes, answer is yes. Now the second part, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 in bracket 3 minus x. That is x square minus 2x equal to minus 6 plus 2x. You transpose each and everything to the left hand side, you will get x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Now compare the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 6. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. Hence I have written S. Now proceed to the third part, that is x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So multiply this, you will get x square minus x minus 2 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. This x square and this x square will be cancelled. So we are left with 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So I have written the standard form of equation, that is 0x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 0, where for quadratic equation it is a condition that a should not be equal to 0. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Now fourth part, x minus 3, 2x plus 1 equal to x in bracket x plus 5. Now open this bracket, multiply it. So you will get 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to x square plus 5x equal to, solve it, you will get x square minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can compare the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence it fulfilled all the condition of the standard form of the quadratic equation. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Yes. Now the fifth part, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. On the right hand side, x plus 5 into x minus 1. Multiply these two, you will get 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Here you will get x square plus 4x minus 5. And here if you just take this x square to the left hand side, it will cancel the 2. So we are left with the x square only. Now 11x plus 8. So I have reduced it in the standard form of the quadratic equation, where a is not equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Now the sixth part, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. So just to open it, you will get x square plus 4 minus 4x. So this x square and this x square will be cancelled, and we will just solve it. You will get 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Here there is no any quantity having the degree or power 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. X plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x in bracket x square minus 1. Now I have opened this x plus 2 whole cube. As per the algebraic formula, you know very well that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Here I have written it. X cube plus 3x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus 2 raised to power 3 equal to 2x cube. You see, I have multiplied here 2x cube minus 2x. So 1x cube will be cancelled. Now we are left 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to x cube minus 2x. Transpose all terms to the left hand side, you will get minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Here the degree of the equation or expression is 3. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Now the earth part, you see x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, here I have opened it, that is x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 raised to power 2 means 2 square minus 8. You solve it, you will get 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. It is in the form of the standard form of the quadratic equation. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Yes. Now come to the question number 2. Here, you see, just I am reading it. The question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of the quadratic equation. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meter. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice the breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. You see, the area is given 528. The breadth is x. Length is twice the breadth plus 1. So I have written here x into 2x plus 1, that is 528. After solving it, you will get 2x square plus x minus 528. So it is the quadratic equation form which is required, and it is the answer. Now proceed to the second part of it. Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Now you see that there are two positive consecutive integer. So let x is the positive integer. So next number or next consecutive number will be x plus 1. So I have multiplied it because the product of two consecutive number is given. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So multiply it, you will get x square plus x minus 306. X and x plus 1 are the two consecutive positive integers. Now proceed to the third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Let x be the present age of the Rohan's. His mother age is x plus 20 as per according to the question. Three years hence, Rohan will be x plus 3 years. 3 years hence, his mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29 years. According to the question, x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. So multiply it, you will get x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Here you see x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which was required to express it. This is the answer. Now, fourth part, let x be the uniform speed of the train. Distance is 480 kilometers. So it is stated like this: a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So here I have taken the x to be the uniform speed of the train. Distance is 480 kilometers. Time required with the uniform speed is 480 divided by x hours. According to the question, 480 divided by x minus 8 means x minus 8, that is when the speed is less, 8 kilometers less than the uniform speed. Minus 480 divided by x is equal to 3. I have taken 480 common outside of the bracket. Inside the bracket you will get x minus x plus 8 whole divided by x square minus 8x. This 3 will cancel the 480 and you will get 160. Now you see the x square minus 8x minus 1280. You just multiply 160 into 8, you will get 1280. And when you will bring to the left hand side, it will become negative. So x square minus 8x minus 1280. This is the required quadratic equation and this will be the answer. Now proceed to the exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. Here you see, I have written the equation, quadratic equation, that is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. X square. Now you see, we have to split the 3 in such a way so the product of the 2 should be equal to minus 10. And when we subtract or add it, you will get 3. So here you see 5 minus 2, that is 3. 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. So x square minus in bracket 5 minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. What I have done, I have taken the x common from the first two terms, that is x inside the bracket x minus 5 plus you can take 2 common, again you will get x minus 5 in the bracket equal to 0. So you take x minus 1, x minus 5, x minus 5 common and you are left with x plus 2. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. These are the two required answer for the question number 1 first part. The second method for solving this, to find the roots of the equation I have mentioned, I have described here. Please pay attention a little bit. You see, you have to write the equation in such a way that the coefficient of x square should be 1. If it is not in 1, then we have to reduce it in the form so that the coefficient of x square should be 1. And secondly, the coefficient of x should be always in minus. If it is plus, we have to make it in minus way. Side by side I will tell you how to write it and how to solve it. Now you see, we have got the coefficient of x whose coefficient is minus 3. So first of all, we take the half of the coefficient, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, I have written 3 by 2 plus u. 3 by 2 minus u equal to minus 10. So multiply it, you will get 3 square by 2 square, that is, you see, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 3 by 2 whole square, you will get 9 by 4 minus u square. And it should be equal. These are the roots. So product of the roots should be equal to c, that is constant. That is, here it is minus 10. So I have written 9 by 4 minus u square is equal to minus 10. So u square will be equal to 9 by 4 plus 10. So solve it, you will get 4 10s are 40 plus 9, 49 by 4. U square is equal to 49 by 4. So find the value of u, that will be equal to plus minus 7 by 2. Therefore, roots will be 3 by 2. You see, 3 by 2 plus u. So I have to substitute the value of u. That is plus minus 7 by 2. First you take the plus sign. So 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Plus add it, you will get 10 by 2. That is 5. In the second case, 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Solve it, you will get minus 4 by 2 and you will get minus 2. This method is not described in your book, but I am going to tell you here. Just try to utilize in your daily life. Now the second part, that is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus, you see, I have to 6 to the coefficient of x square is a, constant is minus 6, we multiply it first, we will get minus 12. So we have to split the coefficient of x, that is 1, so that the product should be minus 12. You see, I have splitted it. 4 minus 3, that is, you will get 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1, but 4 into minus 3, you will get minus 12. So now open it. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. Now from the first two terms, you take 2x common. So we are left with x plus 2 here. From the third and fourth term, you take minus 3 common. So you will get again x plus 2. Now x plus 2 and x plus 2, these are the two common factor. So you take out these two common factor. So x plus 2 I have taken. Now we are left with 2x minus 3. This 2x and this. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, this question I have done in the same way in second method. You see here, the equation is given 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So divide the complete terms, the complete equation by 2. So I have to reduce it in such a way that the coefficient of x square should be 1. So I have divided each term by 2 in order to get the coefficient of x square 1. So I have divided it. Now you see, I told you that the coefficient of x should be in the form of minus. So to get the minus here, I have, you see, we are having plus 1 by 2. So what I have done, x square minus, inside the bracket I have written minus 1 by 2. If you just open it, you will get plus 1 by 2. So I have done minus 1 by 2. X minus 3 equal to 0. Now half of this, what do I have to do? I have to take the half of it. So minus 1 by 2 divided by 2, that will be equal to minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 plus u, minus 1 by 4 minus u. Now you see, a plus b, a minus b. You just square it, you will get minus 1 by 4 whole square minus u square. You will get you will get 1 by 16 minus u square is equal to minus 3. Now is minus 3 you can take to this side. So you will get u square will be equal to 1 by 16 plus 3. That is 16 3 is 48 plus 1, 49 by 16. So u will be equal to plus minus 7 by 4. Now you have got the value of u. Now substitute the value of u in order to get the roots of the equation. So minus 1 by 4, that is as it is I have written here. 7 by 4, that is the value of positive u, that is 7 by 4. Solve it, you will get 6 by 4, that is will be equal to 3 by 2. You see the 3 by 2 here, also 3 by 2 here. Now, to get the second root, see minus 1 by 4 minus u. I have written minus 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Solve it, you will get minus 8 by 4. Again solve it, you will get minus 2. You can see here, the minus 2 is there already. So the same roots we are getting from this method. Now proceed to the third part. Third part is root x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So first of all, you will see just multiply the coefficient of x square and constant. You see root 2 into 5 root 2, you will get 10. Means root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. So we have to split 7 in such a way that its product should be equal to 10. Now you see, I have mentioned here root 2 into 5 into root 2 equal to 10. So here you see root 2 x square plus 5 plus 2. If you just add it, you will get 7. So 5 plus 2, that is 7. 5 into 2, you will get 10. Plus 5 root 2, as it is I have written here. Now open this bracket, middle bracket. So you will get 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Here you can take x common from the first two terms. So inside the bracket we are left with root 2x plus 5. From here, from the second and third terms, you can take root 2 common. You see root 2 is available here. But here it is 2. The 2 can be understood as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. So I have taken root 2 common and we are left with root 2x plus 5. Now you see the root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5. If you are not getting the same factor in both the places, it means somewhere something is wrong. So root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5 will be taken out. So we are left with x plus root 2. So we are having root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. You solve it, x will be equal to minus 5 by root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2. These are the two answers of the third part. Now the second method to solve it, again I am repeating it. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. You see, I have divided the complete equation, quadratic equations by root 2 in order to reduce the coefficient of x square 1. So 7 by root 2x and 5 root 2 divided by root 2, that will be, you will get 5 equal to 0. Now again I have written x square minus minus. You see, it is plus. So I have to write it in such a way that it should be minus here. So inside the bracket I have written, you see, minus. If you open, you will get the plus. So minus 7 by root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. Now take the half of this. Half of the coefficient of x. So that will be the minus 7 by 2 root 2. Minus 7 by 2 root 2. So now we have to take the roots. You see, 7 upon minus 2 root 2 plus u. In one bracket, in the second bracket, minus 7 upon 2 root 2 minus u, bracket closed, and the product of these roots should be equal to constant, that is 5. Multiply it, you see, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So it will be 49 square by 8. Minus u square is equal to 5. Now transpose this 5 to this side. You will get u square is equal to 49 by 8 minus 5. So 8 5 is 40. I have written here. You see, u square is equal to 49 minus 40 by 8, that is 9 by 8. Therefore, u will be equal to plus minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Means square root of 8 is 2 root 2. And square root of 9 is 3. Here plus minus, I have mentioned it. So roots are 7 upon, you see, 7 upon minus 2 root 2 plus 3 upon 2 root 2. You solve it, you will get minus 4 upon 2 root 2. 2 and 4 will be cancelled. You are left with the 2 upon root 2. This 2 upon root 2 can be further solved. You see, I have solved it. Minus 2 upon root 2 will be equal to, this, you see, just 2 can be expressed in the product of root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 will cancel the denominator part. Now the second one will be left as a sole answer for it, that is minus root 2. This will be the one of the root of the quadratic equation. Now for the second one, minus 7 upon 2 root 2 minus 3 upon 2 root 2. You solve it, you will get minus 10 upon 2 root 2. You see, 10 can be cancelled by 2, so I have written here minus 5 upon root 2. You see, just compare it. Minus 5 upon root 2, and here it is minus root 2, minus root 2. So you are getting the same answer in both the cases. Now question number 4th part. 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. 2x square minus, you see, I have splitted this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Why I have done it? That if you just multiply it, you will get 1 by 4, and 2 into 1 by 8. 2 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So in order to get 1 by 4, what I have done, that I have splitted 1 in the form of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. You see, you can take x common from these two places, first and second term. Inside the bracket you are left 2x minus 1 upon 2. To get to 2x and here 1 by 2, you see, I was fully aware that there should be 2x. So I have to take minus 1 by 4 common. If you just put the 1 by 4 here, you will be getting 1 by 2. So I have taken 1 by 4 common, and if you just multiply it, you will get plus 1 by 8. So I have taken 1 by 4 common, and we are left with 2x minus 1 by 2 in bracket closed. So now compare these two brackets. The quantity mentioned in these two brackets are the same. So you can take out this factor common. So 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 and x and minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So here it will be x will be equal to 1 by 4. Here x will be equal to 1 by 4. Now in the second method, you see 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Now to reduce the coefficient of x square should be equal to 1 here. So I have divided the complete quadratic equation by 2. So here I have got x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 upon 16 equal to 0. So half of this coefficient, you see, it is already minus. So half of it, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus u. In one bracket, in other bracket, 1 by 4 minus u. These are the two roots. And the product of the roots should be equal to the constant, that is 1 by 16. So just multiply it, a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So 1 by 16 minus u square should be equal to 1 by 16. So here u square will be equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16, that is equal to 0. So u will be equal to 0. Now put the value of u here and here. You will get 1 by 4 minus 0, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 0, that is 1 by 4. Again you are having the same equal roots here. Now the fifth part, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So 100x square, you see 100 and 1 will be multiplied. So we have to split this middle, means coefficient of x, in such a way that its product should be 100. And if you just subtract or add it, what will be the situation? It should come to 20. So here now you see 100x square minus, inside the bracket I have written 10 plus 10, means that is 20, and 10 into 10, that is 100, plus 1 equal to 0. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. You see 10x I have taken common, and 10x minus 1. Here 10 minus I have taken common, so 10x minus 1. So 10x minus 1, this bracket has been taken out common, and 10x minus 1. Again we are having the x is equal to 1 by 10, x is equal to 1 by 10, equal roots. Now in the second method, to solve the same question, here you see 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So divide this complete equation by 100 first of all, because we have to make the coefficient of x square 1. So in order to make it coefficient 1, we have to reduce this coefficient 1. I have divided the complete quadratic equation by 100. So x square minus 20 by 100, x plus 1 by 100. You see here you will get 1 by 5. So x square minus 1 by 5x plus 1 upon 100 is equal to 0. Now take the half of it. Take the half of it, that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus u, 1 by 10 minus u should be equal to 1 by 100. So just multiply it. You will get 1 by 100 minus u square is equal to 100. So u square, it is not 100, but it is 1 upon 100. It is 1 upon 100. So u square will be equal to 1 upon 100 minus 1 upon 100, that is equal to 0. Here u is equal to 0, therefore roots are 1 by 10 plus 0, that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 minus 0, that is 1 by 10. These are the equal roots here. Now question number 2. solve the problem given in the examples 1. You see, I am reading it. John and Givenchy together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. You see, I have taken, let x be the number of the marbles with John. So the number of marbles with Givenchy is equal to 45 minus x. So according to the question, x minus 5 means 5 marbles has been reduced. So x minus 5 marbles has been lost, you can say. So x minus 5 into 45 minus x minus 5 should be equal to 124. So x minus 5 in one bracket, in the second bracket 40 minus x is equal to 124. Now multiply these two brackets. You will get 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x should be equal to 124. Further solve it, you will get x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Now, you see, we have to split 324 in such a way that the product should be equal to 324, and subtract on subtraction or addition, you will get 45. So I have described the factorization method here, how to find the factor of the numbers. You see, 324 has been factorized. You see, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9 into 4, that is 36. You see, 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9, that will be equal to 45. And 36 into 9, you will get 324. Here I have solved it. So x square minus, inside the bracket, 36 plus 9, x plus 324 equal to 0. X square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equal to 0. Take out x common from the first two terms. So you are left with x minus 36. Now from the third and fourth term, you take minus 9 common. So we are left with x minus 36. So now you take x minus 36 common. So in the second bracket you will get x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 36 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 36. X minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9. These are the two answers of the question number 2, first part. Now the second part of it, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of the toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Here we have to solve it. Let x be the number of the toys produced in a day. The cost of production of one toy will be equal to 55 minus x. So, according to the question, x into 55 minus x means number of the articles, number of toys into the cost of one toy. So x into 55 minus x will be equal to 750. Further solve it, you will get 55x minus x square equal to 750. You solve it in such a way so that you can get the quadratic equation. that is x square minus 55x plus 750 equal to 0. Now we have to split this 55 in such a way that the product should be equal to 750, and on addition or subtraction you should get 55. So again I have factorized it 750 in a prime factorization method. You see, moreover I have circled also 2 into 3 into 5 means 5 into 3, 15 into 2, that is 30, and 5 5 are 25, 30 and 25, that is 55, and if you multiply you will get 750. You see, I have done here x square minus inside the bracket 25 plus 30 bracket closed x plus 750 equal to 0. So x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 equal to 0. Here to take x common from the first two terms. So you are left with x minus 25 minus 30 I have taken common from the third and fourth term. So we are left with x minus 25. So x minus 25 will be taken out as a common, and x minus 30 will be left here. So x minus 25 equal to 0, x minus 30 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25, x is equal to 30. These are the two answers for question number 2. Now question number 3. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. You see, I am reading it again. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let x be the one number and other number will be 27 minus x. So according to the question, x into 27 minus x should be equal to 182, it is given. So 27x minus x square is equal to 182. It can be written in this way also. X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So x square, you see, I have factorized it. Again 182. You see, 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14 and into 30. 13 is equal to 182. So we have to get 14 plus 13, that is 27. So in place of 27 I have written the bracket x square minus inside the bracket 14 plus 13. If you just add it you will get 27. So x square minus inside the bracket 14 plus 30 into x plus 182 is equal to 0. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Here first take out x common from the first two terms. So x inside the bracket x minus 14. From here you take minus 13 common, x minus 14. So x minus 14 has been taken out and we are left with x minus 13. So from here you will get x is equal to 14, x is equal to 13. These are the two answers for question number 3. Now proceed to the question number 4. Question number 4 states that find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive positive integers. According to the question, the sum of the square means square of the consecutive numbers are x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. So open it. X square plus 2x plus 1 should be equal to 365. Now further solve it, you will get 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Now divide the complete equation by 2. You will get here x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. So x square plus 14 minus 13, 14 minus 13, you will get 1. You see, we have to get 1 here. So 14 minus 13, and if you multiply this 14 into 13, again you will get 182. Now open this bracket. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. Take out x common from the first two terms, so you will get x inside the bracket x plus 14. Take out minus 13 common, you will get x plus 14. Now x plus 14 will be taken out and put equal to 0. It should be equal to x is equal to minus 14. It is negative, then hence it will be rejected. X minus 13 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 13, it is a positive. So our next consecutive number will be x plus 1, that is equal to 13 plus 1, that will be equal to 14. Now question number 5. 5 states that the altitude of the right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. You see, I have drawn the right angle triangle. Its base is x and altitude is x minus 7 and hypotenuse is given 13. So x square plus x minus 7 whole square is equal to 13 square. Open this bracket, x square plus 49 minus 14x is equal to 169. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. Now divide the complete equation because the common factor is this. So to divide it by 2, you will get x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. So x square minus 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 means 12 5 ja 60. And 12 minus 5, that will be equal to 7. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. Here take out x common from the first two terms. You will get x inside the bracket x minus 12. You take plus 5 from the third and the fourth term. You will get x minus 12. Now you can take out x minus 12 common and you will get the second factor will be x plus 5. So put x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 should be equal to 0. Once you put x is equal to 12, this will be at 12 centimeters. And if you just put x is equal to x plus 5 equal to 0, you will get x minus 5. It is negative because the length of the base will not be negative, so it will be rejected. Now the base is 12, altitude is x minus 7, that is equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeters. This will be the answer, and 12 centimeters, this will be the answer. Now question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of the poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of the article produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of the articles produced and the cost of each article. You see, let x be the number of the article produced in a day. So the cost of each article is twice x plus 3. Therefore, x into 2x plus 3 equal to 90. Open this. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. So you will get here, you see, first of all, 2 into 90, that is 180. I have factorized it. In prime factorization is there. So we have to make a group in such a way that there should be only two factors, so that the product should be equal to 180, and on addition or subtraction you should get what is called 3 here. You see, 2x square 15 minus 12, you will get 3. 15 minus 12. When you multiply it, you will get 180. Minus 90, 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Take out x common from the first two terms, you will get 2x plus 15. From the third and the fourth term, you take out minus 6 common, you will get 2x plus 15. Now 2x plus 15 will be taken out common, and we are left with the second factor, that is x minus 6. So substitute both the factors equal to 0. 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 15 by 2. It is negative, hence it will be rejected. Now x minus 6 is equal to 0, so x will be 6. Number of the article is 6. The cost of each article should be equal to 2x plus 3. So 2 into 6 plus 3, that is equal to 12 plus 3, that is 15 rupees. These are the answer of this question.